That's my baby, she drive me crazy. That's my baby, she drive me crazy. That's my boo, my boo. What's up with the Global Gang? You know what I mean? I'ma need y'all, well, first off, for the people that's been here, yeah, what's up with y'all doing? But all the new people for this little page, this little content we gonna be dropping all the time, I'ma need y'all to like, comment, subscribe down below. You know what I mean? Hit the notification bells, cause we gonna be posting Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, TikTok. But other than that, yeah, bro, we ain't gonna do too much, you know what I mean? We always wanna give y'all the feeling of y'all, you know what I mean? You know the feeling of being with us, but we not gonna do too much to the point y'all be like, oh, I wish I could. Nah, at the most, stuff always gonna be simple and basic, some stuff you and your parents can get together and do, to be honest. But aside from that, I know y'all heard my song in the background. But other than that though, yeah, we finna probably just go get something to eat. We ain't doing too much right now. Well, yeah, we ain't doing too much right now, you know what I mean? It's raining. Other than that, we'll be outside. We was gonna go to Chinese buffet, then you know it was probably gonna be McDonald's. I don't know, it's like our taste buds be everywhere, man. I don't know. Don't y'all get tired of just eating? Like, don't you wish you could just eat 1 month and then you be good for a whole month? Like today, I guess we gonna get crafty. I'm not gonna lie to you. So what we gonna do is we're gonna try to make a little makeshift meal at Dollar Tree. For all the people who ain't got that much money, you know, who's struggling, that's trying to put that food on the table for their family, ain't got too much, you get what I'm saying? So we gonna do something special for y'all and legitimately put a whole little meal together out of the stuff they got to offer in Dollar Tree. All right, so we in the stuff. She already on some other stuff.
Look at this mailbox. You can't say it's not cute.
It's decent. It's alright.
It's a freaking mailbox.
It's alright.
That is so pretty. I want to get
She
this.
doing too much about this little funk.
This is a good gift, like presentation.
All right, comment down below if you guys want that for a gift. You know, just let me know. You know, let her know too. Okay, yeah, now that's for jewelry. But we found something better than that the other day. It was like 2 drawers.
Make y'all way to Dollar Tree, cause they always gonna get you up.
And they all gonna plug in. Oh, we can put this on the car.
What?
This right here. How it look. Oh no. Well, yeah, we can wrap this on the car. Put it on the back. Alright, y'all, so I found veggie burgers. I like veggie based food now. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you. Like the black bean burgers, veggie burgers. They ain't even got no eggs up in here today. Dang, that's gone this time. Get them rainbow cookies. Something like Christmas, and get some cheese.
I want them. Cheese.
I don't want them.
Is
what you
pickles?
want? Yeah, those pickles.
They cut up.
Yeah.
How do you like it? Dollar Tree gonna get you right.
Okay. Now look, what's that? Mild cheddar? That's just regular cheddar. Ooh, pepper jack cheese. Pepper jack cheese. If you don't know nothing about that, look, I can't even discuss it. Just know that's fire. You know what I mean? That's just fire. And then we need to get some butter too.
You need that salami.
What's up?
Ew, they got caramel pudding.
Look at what?
It's a Hershey milkshake.
I don't want it. I don't want it. You said some salami. Yeah, I get the salami over the bologna. All right. Okay, so I got a veggie burger. You got the fish. Okay, so boom. All right, you like your vegetables, right?
Yeah.
All right. So which one? Just broccoli? This one or that one? Put it with some noodles there. You can.
Some chicken.
Ooh, we do got chicken at home too. So the stuff I use for the omelet, we got some of that left.
Oh yeah, we can put some noodles and some chicken with that.
Okay, so look, we didn't get the chicken from the store, so don't get mad at us. Just go to another store.
It's something we already had though.
Basically, yeah. Yeah, it is something we already had.
So we're still not spending no money on it.
Yeah. At the most, we'll probably have to hit another store, go to what we went to the last time, and we got them eggs for like $1. What's up?
Dollar Tree?
No. Besides Dollar Tree, we went somewhere else. I think it was that one place your mama told us about.
What place? Oh, I think it was called. Dang, I forgot. something like, dang, what was this?
Whole Food? No, not
I
Whole.
think it was Whole Foods.
Alright, now look. Okay, so you got the salmon.
Look,
We got some noodles. We should have some noodles at home.
we should get some bread.
The bread over there. Yeah, we should have some noodles at home. You know what I mean? So what she gonna get? This what I'm gonna do for her. She gonna get garlic butter noodles with peppers. I know they call stir fry peppers, but I'm gonna hook them up like them regular peppers. They already diced up. You get what I'm saying? And then
Chicken. I should add the fish too.
that's what you doing.
No, the chicken. Remember the chicken?
No, I'm making a meal. So
I thought you said do the chicken, this, and
chicken,
then,
that, noodles, and then a side of fish.
Oh, well, okay.
And then for me myself, what I was gonna do is I'm gonna make me a veggie burger. Fried egg, put lettuce, tomato, etc. Basically my little bundles on the bottom, you know what I mean? My little etc. stuff, my accessories. And pretty much that's what I'm gonna eat. And probably, well, I'm gonna make me both of the burgers. So, 2 burgers. That's if y'all like veggie burgers, you know, veggie-based meals. They don't look like they got egg noodles. But
No, that's not what we getting anyway.
that's not.
The beans spaghetti.
Them right there? Okay. Yeah, she got that right there. So yeah, so she basically noodles with stir fry, you know what I mean, with stir fry peppers and chicken and a side of fish. And I'm just making me a veggie burger. I like those. I think I'm gonna give me another one too. I think I should get another one, I don't know.
How many in there?
It's 2 in there.
That's only 2 cents. Right?
I know, yeah. I'll be good after that.
That's you said, girl.
It be like that. It be like that. Oh yeah, just to let y'all know. Yeah, they got seasoning too. They got that.
They got everything. Travel dressing.
Even little cereals like.
Look, you can put your hot sauce in this on the go.
It'll be gone fast. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Put it on your side.
Get the sauce in there. I don't even think they got no hot sauce in here. Do they got jalapenos? If they got jalapenos in here, they winning.
Creole seasoning, y'all.
They got jalapenos in here, they winning. I'm not gonna lie to you.
They got what?
Okay, but they got Creole seasoning. Okay, that's good. I think I'm gonna take some Creole seasoning.
Look, if you got a business and you can't afford packaging, Dollar Tree got you.
Now look, we put y'all
Packaging
on.
for your business, baby. It's not cheap.
Alright, so we've been at the crib for a little minute. Man, just got done cooking that little meal. Like I said, so Shorty, she got some chicken stir fry noodles, right? With a side of some fish. And then me myself, I made me a little veggie burger. Hey, but make sure y'all clean up, you know what I mean? People know how to, you know what I mean, cooking, not clean up, Make sure y'all wash your hands, because a lot of people don't know how to wash their damn hands. And season that meat right, you feel me? Put everything back where it's supposed to go. Put it back in the right place, because everything has a place. And everything should be in this place. So boom, throw away all that trash. You feel me? Throw all that away. Ziploc up everything, need to go back in the freezer once you bust that joint open. You feel me? If you ain't got Ziploc, put it in a plastic bag, because that's cool too. But take Minnie out, then eat, and then vlog what we got done. But yeah, she had some what is it? I think it was salmon. What was it, salmon? What you get, salmon or what? Tilapia. She had tilapia, top tilapia fillet. With some chicken stir fried noodles. And then yeah, a veggie burger for me. A double veggie burger. And I put an egg on it, pepper jack cheese on top of it. And then what else was that I put on there? No, that was about it. Oh yeah, I put some fresh onions on top. Yeah, that'll be about it. That'll be the little, the little at-home little meal you can make for
Dollar Tree meal.
Dollar Tree meal, to be honest, yeah. The whole little Dollar Tree meal. You be Gucci. Yeah, make sure y'all clean up everything. We finna wiping this stuff down and fold this dang towel. Man, we finna take Minnie out. Yeah,
Start cooking for that girl.
hey, but that, to be honest, I'm not even gonna talk about it. Cause how I look at it is, that's appointing the men.
Yeah, that's how how you gonna keep it.
To be honest, if you don't know how to cook, that's on you. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, you want her to slave and do everything in the kitchen, female level, and the man can cook for them, and they ain't gotta do nothing but sit there and watch. So y'all don't know nothing about that. Y'all be making y'all females doing entirely too much, or just don't even care about it.
Game while he in that cooking. Ooh.
She not playing the game. That's about it. We gonna watch movies. Yeah, we gonna probably watch movies for a little minute, chill. You know, we got some arts and crafts for y'all. We ain't gonna talk too much about that. We got the little easel. You feel me? We gonna, what is it? Sit this a distance from us and paint a portrait. She over here messing with our dog, Blaze. He's something else though. I think she's playing, to be honest. Alright, so yeah, this her little meal right here. You know, stir fried tilapia. Then this is my little sandwich right here. My little veggie burger. Hold on, let me flip it up a little bit. Flip it over, to be honest. That's my little veggie burger. We finna eat. Wanda down already took Minnie out, you know what I'm saying? Did the little dollar meal. I mean, the Dollar Tree meal for you know, for the people who struggling, you know what I mean? Need some quick to put together for the family. Like, for real, y'all can go Dollar Tree and cash out and make a whole meal. They got a lot of seasonings, canned food, stuff in the freezers. Like, I mean, I'm over eating a veggie burger. From where? But yeah, though, we gonna have a lot of stuff, a lot of tips for y'all, you know what I mean? Just to keep y'all up to date, do just with yourself, you know what I mean? To help benefit y'all, not just us, but benefit y'all, you know what I mean? Everybody want to know good ways and tips to save money, right? But yeah, that's it. I'm gonna need all of y'all to like, comment, subscribe, you know what I mean? That's gonna be everything for today's video. Yeah, stay tuned. But yeah, anything, alright, gang. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe. We out. That's my baby, she drive me crazy. That's my baby, she drive me crazy. That's my boo, my boo.